Welcome to the special bulletin of Prabhat Pre-Primary School. Educating a tiny tot is a tender task. Prabhat Pre-Primary School provides perfect atmosphere to boost children's learning skills and make them active learners. Since the outbreak of COVID-19, Prabhat Pre-Primary School has kept the flow of learning uninterrupted through a collaborative offline e-learning program. In this bulletin, we are going to take a brief review of different fun and learn activities taken for little chirrups of Prabhat. Let us see the highlights of this bulletin. Junior KG student enjoyed role play activity. Show and tell activity boosted kids' communication skill. Different activities helped to give impetus to their creativity. Some activities propelled them to imbibe practical life skills. Arithmetic and logical skills imparted with play and learn method. Kids paid tribute to Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. It is said children learn by imitation, and it is needless to say that every imitation is a kind of creation. Prabhat's tiny tots of Junior KG section participated in role play activity and performed the roles of different animals. They enacted parrot, tiger, bat, rabbit and other animals and enjoyed the activities. Their teachers guided them and their parents finally conducted these activities. Students' cognitive skills are developed with observation, and speaking and interpreting faculties get nurtured with their speaking. In view to enable students to speak, show and tell activity was held for kids. It boosted their speaking skill. Before scribbling letters, toddlers learn to draw line. They immensely enjoy while scribbling letters. They also like to play with colors. In view to bring hand and eye coordination in students, thread painting activity was held for Junior KG kids. They were engrossed in activity and sought hand and eye coordination. Students enjoy playing with papers. They make paper boats, aeroplane. Adding creative elements to their play, children were asked to prepare paper bags. They beautifully made bags from paper and imbibed the message of avoiding polythene bags to conserve our Mother Earth. Children love eating snacks. In view to foster self-sufficiency in children, stuffed Monaco activity was held. They beautifully stuffed tasty material in crispy biscuits and enjoyed self-prepared snacks. Children enjoy dance. They swiftly thrilled on rhymes and rhythms. In view to add a balance in their free steps, a special tissue dance activity was conducted for kids. They danced keeping tissue paper on their head and balanced their movement. They enjoyed these funny dances. Children learn through different activities. Different activities are taken to instill in them practical life skills. In view to boost their gross and fine motors, activities like rubber band activity, lock and key activity, banana cutting, pea peeling, peeling of oranges and squeezing activity were held. In view to sharpen eye and brain coordination, a match the lead activity was taken. Students enjoy doing household things. They watered plant, rolled down and picked up mats, cleaned mirror and even arranged utensils. These activities instill in them sense of self-sufficiency and participatory spirit. Learning number is an abstract activity, but it could be meaningfully inculcated in kids by asking them to count different objects. Nursery kids enjoyed the activity and counted different things given to them. Again, hopscotch game boosted their practical and logistic judgment. Making up of Priam's tower or paper cup tower adroitly added further to their mathematical skills. Bharat Ratna Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar was a true social reformer. Little Prabhatians remembered Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar on his Mahaparinirvan Din. Let's take a peep on their elegant speeches and their salutation to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. These meaningful activities open children's intelligence and add practical approach to their education. Just before concluding, let's enjoy beautiful crooning of Prabha's budding singer Himanshu Deshmukh.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. So high you can't get over it. So deep you can't get under it. So high you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you.
It's musically beautiful. This is Arnav Sital Tongse signing off this special bulletin of Prabhat Pre-Primary School. Please do like and subscribe the bulletin. Stay indoor, stay safe. Thank you.